Hello class. In this video we are going to write a program named Fahrenheit to Celsius that accepts a temperature in Fahrenheit from a user and converts it to Celsius by subtracting 32 from the Fahrenheit value and multiplying the result by 5 divided by 9, 5/9. Display both values in one decimal place. Okay, let's drag this over here. We're going to create our new project. This is going to be Fahrenheit to Celsius. How in the world do I spell that? Fahrenheit. Okay, let's drag it back over. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Is it C or S? S. Okay. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Hardest part about this program is spelling the title of it. Okay, let's go ahead and do using system, using static system dot console. And we're going to have a public class of, luckily I have it spelled up there, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Open and close curly braces, public static void main. And we're going to create our main method. All right, it accepts a temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay. Accepts the temperature in Fahrenheit from a user and converts to Celsius by subtracting 32. All right, so we're going to have to get the user to enter something in. So we're going to have a integer for Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. And we're going to do a write line. We're going to ask our user to enter the degrees in Fahrenheit. You know, I could just do right. I think right would be all right. And then we're going to do a read line. Read Fahrenheit is going to equal to convert dot to int 32, whatever's in the read line. So we have our Fahrenheit, and converts it to Celsius by subtracting 32 from Fahrenheit. So we're going to have an int for Celsius, subtract 32 from Fahrenheit. So we're going to have an int for Celsius. And down here, Celsius is going to be equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. And what else? And multiplying the result, multiplying by 5/9. So we're going to use our parentheses. We're going to multiply that by 5/9. Perfect. Display both values to one decimal place. So we're going to do a write line. And we're going to do a $sign, double quote, and we're going to do a placeholder, or we're going to say that Fahrenheit is Fahrenheit, period. Celsius is Celsius, period. And semicolon. That should be it. Let's run it and see if it works. Enter the degrees in Fahrenheit. Let's do 100. 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. Something happened. It's not working. Is it 2 division? Nope. Let me think. I see what I did there. So in the 5/9, I need to do 5.0 divided by 9.0. and I need to change these to doubles because C# does not like the double, it doesn't like integers being divided because that takes just the quotient and not the entire thing. So if we convert it to doubles, that should work. Let's try 100 again. That looks a lot better. Okay, so yeah, if you're doing something like that, if you are multiplying by a fraction, make sure that you use doubles and put zeros in after the as the fraction numerator and denominator. Make sure they have a uh, decimal place. That way it'll make C# recognize it correctly and work correctly. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.